What's going on, guys? Notice something different? Don't know if you can tell, but I got a new camera. Now it makes me look kind of scruffy. Trimmed beard coming in 3, 2, 1. And I'm back. Slight difference, right? Not perfect, but if you guys have seen my video on the Acura TL, which is about the same year as the MDX I'm showing today, you might remember me talking about how Acura is actually the luxury brand of Honda. Ford's got Lincoln, GM's got Cadillac, Honda has Acura. What they try to do at Acura, especially back at this time, is try to compete with European luxury brands like Mercedes and BMW. This way, you get all of the mechanical reliability of Honda, but all of the luxury features of like a Mercedes-Benz. Was Acura, otherwise known as Honda, really successful in this venture? It depends on exactly what we're talking about. Because on the mechanical reliability standpoint, yeah, they're great reliable cars. They do suffer some of the common issues of the Honda models that they're based on. Like for instance, the MDX and the TL have a very similar drivetrain to the Odyssey and Accord. So the engines are pretty solid, but the transmissions are kind of soft. It is super reliable. There's plenty of these cars out on the road after 300,000 miles. And even if they do break, they're way cheaper than a Mercedes or BMW to repair. But unfortunately, I don't think that they quite made it to where they wanted to be as far as build quality, especially like the interior is concerned. If you were to sit in a brand new Mercedes and a brand new Acura, you probably would notice that the Acura is not quite as nice, but it's really, really good. And the thing about the Acuras and the Lexuses and all of these Japanese luxury models, Infiniti, even though the build quality just isn't quite there with like what Mercedes and BMW is offering, I think that the longevity is there. You see, Mercedes especially is known for some weird electrical system issues. Because of that, those cars have not aged well. With similar mileage in the same year, the Acura 9 times out of 10 is going to be much more expensive than the Mercedes, even though the Mercedes might have been double the price of the Acura at the time. Also, there's a lot higher production numbers of Acuras, so if you need to get a used part, that's definitely an option, but even if you got to buy a brand new part for some reason, it's cheaper, way cheaper than the BMW Mercedes stuff. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.